Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese using Paneer. First, gather your ingredients: 1 gallon of whole milk and a half cup of lemon juice or vinegar. You will also need a large pot, a fine mesh sieve, and cheesecloth. Ensure all your equipment is clean and ready. Making fresh Paneer at home is surprisingly simple and yields a delicious, versatile cheese perfect for many dishes. Now, let's curdle the milk. Heat 1 gallon of whole milk in a large pot over medium-high heat, bringing it to a rolling boil. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent scorching. Once boiling, remove the pot from the heat. Slowly add your lemon juice or vinegar, stirring gently. You will quickly see the milk separate into beautiful white curds and a clear, greenish whey. Next, we'll drain and press our Paneer. Line a fine mesh sieve with cheesecloth and place it over a bowl. Carefully pour the curds and whey into the cheesecloth. Rinse the curds under cold water for 1 to 2 minutes. This removes any lingering acidic flavor. Then, gather the cheesecloth edges and gently squeeze out as much liquid as possible. Finally, let's shape and store your delicious Paneer. Place the wrapped curds on a flat surface and press them with a heavy object, like a cast iron pan, for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. This creates a firm block. Unwrap your fresh Paneer, cut it into cubes or your preferred shape, and store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your homemade cheese.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.